Today we're going to look at the alternative spelling of the A sound again. First of all, let's watch this video to practice our vowels.
We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Today we're going to look at the different sounds that these letters can make. First of all, we'll look at the short sounds that these letters can make. So the letter A, we know, says A. The letter E says E, like elephant. The letter I says I, like ink. The letter O says O, like octopus. And the letter U says A, like umbrella. These letters can also say the long vowel sounds where the letter says its name. So A says A, like in cake. E says E, like in feet. I says I, like in time. O says O, like in boat. And U says U, as in cube. We can practice these sounds by using our hand. If you put your hand into a fist shape, we have one letter for each finger. So we say A, E, I, O, and A. We can do the same, but for the long sounds, and we're going to put our fingers out so they're long, and we're going to say A, E, I, O, and U.
So let's look at the A sound. Yesterday we learnt that we can make the A sound in several different ways. We can write it as AI, AY, EY, A, EI, EIGH, and the split digraph A with the E. Here are some words to sort, and today we're going to sort them based on the sounds, whether they're recorded as EIGH, just an A on its own, or the EY. The first word is way. The next word is pray. The next word is acorn. The next word is bacon. Bacon. The next word is grey. The next word is 8. EIGH is making the A sound. The next word is obey. The next word is sleigh. EIGH is making the A sound. And the final word is apron. Apron. Here we've sorted our words. So, let's read this sentence. I'd like you to try and read this sentence. Let's read it together. When the clouds are grey, it will rain. Let's read it again. When the clouds are grey, it will rain. Do you agree with that? Does it always rain when the clouds are grey? Right, here's our last sentence for today. So let's read that. You try and read it yourselves now. Now let's read it together. If I weigh a whale, it is more than an acorn. Okay, let's read it one more time. If I weigh a whale, it is more than an acorn. Does a whale weigh more than an acorn? Now it's time to do your activity. Well done. Good work.